Hello, good morning or good afternoon or whenever you are listening. Today we are going to do TOEIC speaking. Yes, today we are going to practice speaking. This is the first time I'm speaking English in front of this camera. Yes, it's been like 30 years since I stopped speaking English, right? It was like when I was 20 or 25 or something back in the States. Then I stopped speaking English, obviously, because I came back to Japan and 30 years has passed. Almost. Huh? So my English is very rusty and has a very thick Japanese accent. So obviously, this is not for a native English speaker or anything. This is strictly you, the Japanese students or Japanese business persons. Now, why am I doing this? Well, let me explain this. I'm sure you have to practice writing, right? If you are students, then you have to write essays, short essays for the entrance examination. And if you are a business person, then you have to write something in English for business, right? So then you have to practice writing. But before you practice writing, then let me explain this. Writing comes from speaking. When you write something, actually you are talking with yourself. If you write in Japanese and you think in Japanese, if you writing in English, then you must be thinking in English, right? So in order to be able to write good English, then you need to be able to speak English beforehand. Anyway, so you got a message? So what we got here is question 3 of TOEIC speaking test. Now, you see a picture, right? You have 45 seconds to prepare and you have 45 seconds to explain or describe this picture in English. Now, let's start thinking how you describe this picture. What do you see? Okay, on the left side of the picture, you have a lot of vegetables, right? Many kinds of, or many sorts of vegetables on shelves. On a shelf is okay, but 1, 2, 3, there are 3 shelves, so it's better to say on shelves, on the shelves. On the right side of the picture, there are 2 people standing. The man in the front is holding a shopping cart with his one hand and picking up a kind of vegetable, green vegetable. Celery, maybe? Or cucumber? I think it's celery, but celery is hard to pronunciate for Japanese, right? Because that has L sound. So just let's say he is picking up a kind of vegetable. Vegetables. And okay, yeah. Let's start from the top. He is wearing a baseball cap, blue baseball cap. And he is wearing glasses and he has a mustache. And he is wearing a brown jacket, black jacket, and he is wearing a shirt, blue shirt, and white pants. And in the back there is a lady standing and holding a black fruit. I don't know what this is. This could be eggplant, nasu. Oh, I don't know exactly what she's holding. Also, she has a plastic bag. So we could say she is putting a vegetable into a plastic bag. She is wearing green shirt and black pants. Obviously, this is inside of the supermarket or grocery store. Or you could say a large vegetable store. You could say that, huh? I think that is enough for 45 seconds. Okay, let me check my watch. I'm gonna start when the time is right. Okay, in this picture, we have a lot of kinds of groceries. A lot of kinds of vegetables on the left side, on the shelves. And there are two people standing on the right side. A man is holding a shopping cart and picking up a green grocery, and the lady on the back is holding an eggplant, and putting it into a plastic bag. She is wearing a green shirt and brown pants. Wow, 45 seconds is really short, huh? Let me do this again. This picture shows the inside of a supermarket. There are many kinds of vegetables on the shelves, and two people are standing on the right side. The man is holding a shopping cart with his one hand and picking up a bag of vegetables with his right hand. He is wearing a baseball cap and glasses and brown jacket and white shirt. Also, he has a mustache. Next to him, there is a lady holding a plastic bag. She is picking up a black fruit and putting it into her shopping bag. The place is not so crowded. I think they are having a good time shopping. Wow, so it's kind of hard to finish speaking in 45 seconds, right? Obviously. Well, but that's not the point, The point is that you are able to keep speaking for 45 seconds without making many mistakes, right? Okay, so this was my first lesson. The speaking lesson. And I want to make this short and easy because I have to put subtitles on everything I said. So I don't know if I can continue this speaking lesson or not, but I try. So I hope I will see you next time. Bye.